Hello there, and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do also check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. This week, my kids finally returned to school after many months of not being able to go to school because of the lockdown that was imposed on England to try to halt the spread of COVID-19 earlier in the spring. And because of this, like many parents up and down the land, I heaved a huge sigh of relief at the beginning of the week because I finally have the house to myself. I'm finally able to focus and concentrate a little bit more. And finally, I've managed to get the kids out of my hair. In other words, they're not around 24/7, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, knocking on my door when I'm trying to work, annoying me, asking me endless questions, requiring food and attention. You know the score if you're a parent yourself. If you say to someone, look, can you just keep out of my hair for a little while? You mean, can you stay away from me for a bit? Can you stop bothering me and stop annoying me? Because you're stopping me from focusing. I need to be able to concentrate. It's often something that parents will say with regard to their children. When the kids maybe go away to the grandparents for a few days, it's great to finally get the kids out of your hair. If you've enjoyed this, please do subscribe, share it with friends, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of times you've told people to keep out of your hair, or a time when you've managed to get someone out of your hair.